5 reasons I absolutely adore these StoreMore Expandable racks. They've basically been a game changer for the speed of my daily kitchen organization. I got sick and tired of lifting every cooking dish in and out just to get the one I needed. Not only are they all heavy, all stacked up, but storing them vertically helped avoid the frustration of the pan avalanche falling everywhere. With a non-tip base and non-slip, everything just stayed secure in place. I could get anything I wanted right away, easily and quickly within reach without having to lug a bunch of stuff in and out. I also love the expandability. It's a game changer. It really does stretch from the 12.5 to the 22 inches, making the most of each cabinet space, and adjusting it is a breeze. Like, so simple. I was actually shocked. Each shelf can have its own customizable system and match the dishes that it needs. I was really surprised how incredibly easy it was to set up. There weren't even tools or installation. In just a few minutes, I had set up 3 separate cabinets, which will now save me a ton of time and effort every time I want to go into a cabinet for a specific pan. I didn't end up using all of the dividers, but if you do need more, you can purchase extra for even more customization. The heavy-duty steel wires prevent those frustrating scratches. Everything stays in the right place. There's been no warping, no sliding like the cheap plastic ones do. These YouCopia StoreMore Expandable pan and lid racks have been a perfect companion for us. They've maximized our cabinet space, offered us customization, been durable, kept everything in their place, and setup was a breeze. They've been an absolute gem for our kitchen.